The National Assembly of the Socialist Republic of Vietnam is national legislature of the Socialist Republic of Vietnam. The Constitution of Vietnam recognizes the Assembly as the highest organ of state power. The National Assembly, a 496 delegate, the Chief Justice of the Supreme People's Court of Vietnam, the head of the Supreme People's Procuracy of Vietnam, and the 21-member government. Ultimately, however, the Communist Party of Vietnam has great influence over the executive and exercises control through the 150-member Central Committee, which elects the 15-member Politburo at National Party Congresses held every 5 years. Members of the party hold all senior government positions. Constitutionally, the National Assembly is the highest government organization and the highest level representative body of the people. It has the power to draw up, adopt, and amend the Constitution and to make and amend laws. It also has the responsibility to legislate and implement state plans and budgets. Through its constitution-making powers, it defines its own role and the roles of the Vietnamese state president, the Vietnamese government, the local people's councils and people's committees, the Supreme People's Court, and the Supreme People's Procuracy. The Assembly can elect and remove government ministers, the Chief Justice of the Supreme People's Court, and the Procurator General of the Supreme People's Procuracy. Finally, it has the power to initiate or conclude wars and to assume other duties and powers it deems necessary. The term of each National Assembly is 5 years, and meetings are convened twice a year, or more frequently if called for by the National Assembly Standing Committee. The National Assembly has gradually been more active and covered in Vietnam's political life. Although most legislation still originates from the government, such legislation is now more hotly debated in the National Assembly and attract a larger audience. As of 2009, the most debated legislation issues have included Vietnam's bauxite project in the Central Highlands and Vietnam's plan for new nuclear power stations in Ninh Thuan. The precursor of the current National Assembly of Vietnam was the National Representatives Congress, convened on August 16, 1945, in the northern province of Tuyen Quang. This Congress supported Viet Minh's nationwide general uprising policy against Japanese and French forces in Vietnam. It also appointed the National Liberation Committee as a provisional government. After a series of events which was later called collectively the August Revolution, Viet Minh seized the power all over the country, and the Democratic Republic of Vietnam was declared by Ho Chi Minh in Hanoi on September 2, 1945. On January 6, 1946, the first general election ever in Vietnam was held all over the country, in which all people 18 years old or older were eligible to vote. The first session of the First National Assembly took place on March 2, 1946, with nearly 300 deputies in the Great Theatre of Hanoi. Nguyen Van Tu was appointed as the chairman of the National Assembly's Standing Committee. The First National Assembly approved Ho Chi Minh as the head of government and his cabinet, and the former Emperor Bao Dai as the supreme advisor. The second session, B. Bang Don was appointed to be the chairman of the National Assembly's Standing Committee. Ton Duc Thung was acting chairman from 1948, and from 1955. When Don died, he was chairman of the Standing Committee. The first and second constitutions of the Democratic Republic of Vietnam were passed by this National Assembly in 1946 and 1960, respectively. The term of the First National Assembly was prolonged due to the war situation in Vietnam, particularly the partition of Vietnam according to the Geneva Accords of 1954. From 1954 to 1976, the National Assembly's activities were only effective in North Vietnam, due to the partition of Vietnam and the declaration of the Republic of Vietnam in the south. A nationwide general election could not be organized. The Second National Assembly was formed by 362 elected deputies of the North and 91 deputies of the South from the First National Assembly who continued their term. Trong Chin was appointed as the chairman of the National Assembly's Standing Committee and held this position until 1981. The Third National Assembly consisted of 366 elected deputies from the North and 87 deputies continuing their term. The Third National Assembly's term was prolonged due to the war situation. President Ho Chi Minh died during the Third National Assembly's term and was succeeded by Ton Duc Thung. 420 deputies were elected for the Fourth National Assembly. During fourth term, the U.S. withdrew its troops from Vietnam in accordance with Paris Peace Accords 1973. The Fifth National Assembly consisted of 424 elected deputies. The fifth term was the shortest National Assembly's term as it was shortened to organize the